Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for the duration of this practice. Sit in a relaxed position, either cross-legged on the floor or in a comfortable chair with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand fully, and exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding. Take a few more deep breaths, tuning into the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Now, bring your awareness to any areas of tension or discomfort in your body. Consciously relax those muscles and let go of any accumulated stress. Visualize the tension melting away, leaving your body feeling light and free. Next, shift your focus to your mind. Notice any racing thoughts or worries that may be present. Acknowledge them without judgment. And then gently release them, allowing your mind to become calm and quiet. Now, let's take a journey to a serene location in nature. Picture yourself walking along a tranquil path in a beautiful forest. Notice the vibrant colors of the trees and flowers around you. Inhale the refreshing scent of pine and the subtle touch of humidity in the air. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. and the gentle breeze on your face. As you walk, you come across a peaceful stream. Take a moment to sit by the water's edge. Close your eyes and listen to the soothing sound of the flowing water. Allow this calm and steady rhythm to wash away any remaining stress or tension within you. If you wish, you can dip your hand or immerse your feet in the cold waters. As you sit by the stream, imagine that each worry or stress you have is represented by a pebble. Begin to pick up from the ground these pebbles, one by one, and with intention, toss them into the stream. Watch as each pebble sinks beneath the water, disappearing from view. As you let go of your worries, feel a sense of lightness and freedom wash over you. Enjoy the serenity of this peaceful place. If any stressful thoughts arise, just pick up another pebble, throw it in the stream, and watch it disappear. Take a deep breath in, fully immersing yourself in the beauty and tranquility surrounding you. As you exhale, release any remaining tension, allowing it to dissolve into the atmosphere. Now, bring your attention back to your body. Notice how light and relaxed you feel. With each breath, imagine this relaxation spreading from your head to your toes, filling every cell of your being with calmness and peace. Take a few moments to sit quietly, enjoying this state of deep relaxation. Know that you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need to eliminate stress and unwind completely. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of tranquility with you into the rest of your day. Remember, you have the power to release stress and find peace within yourself.